Hey guys, it's me. So today we're going to talk about sending an email. And so I'm going to show you an example of how to send a proper email and include everything you're supposed to and maybe even add a picture or an attachment. So we start here on the school's webpage and we're going to go down to the bottom in the red box and click on Outlook 365. That is your school email account. You may have your own personal email account like a Gmail or a Yahoo, but we're just going to practice today using your school email account. So to get there, you click on Outlook 365. It might ask you to log in. If it does, it's going to be the same login that you used to get in your Chromebook. Your ID number at sd129.com and then whatever your password is. So it already logged me in. I'm going to go up here to this plus sign and click on New. Now if you notice here up at the top there are two lines. There's a to and a CC. You only have to worry about the CC line if you want to send a message to someone and you want someone else to just kind of see it, but they don't have to reply to you. But for the most part, we're just going to focus on this line up here that says to. So who are you sending your email to? I'm going to send mine to Mrs. Davidson. Her email is cdavidson@sd129.org. If you don't know someone's email, though, you can start typing their name, like David. Oh, it pops up. Carrie Davidson. There's the bell. All right. If you typed in the email correctly, you should see their full name. If you did not type in the email correctly, their name won't pop up. So if you see their name, you did good. Now I need to add a subject line. A subject line means, what is your email about? Okay? It should only be a few words, a couple words. It doesn't have to be a sentence. Just, what is this about? So I'm going to email Miss Davidson about community trips. Then right here is where you start typing your email. When you are sending an email that is work related, or if you're sending to a teacher, you need to try and make sure you use complete sentences, capital letters, punctuation. Remember, Miss Hernandez is CPR. And you also want to make sure that you're including everything you're supposed to and that it sounds clear. So, hello, Mrs. Davidson. I'm emailing you to let you know that our first community trip will be this September 13th. We will be taking the Metra train to Downers Grove. I wanted to give you a heads up. Thanks. So take a look at what I did. You always start with a greeting, like hello, or hi there, or greetings. But you want to start off with some kind of nice greeting. Then I put a comma and I started typing in what my email is about. So for this one, it was just to let Miss Davidson know that we're going on a community trip on September 13th. Then you want to make sure you end your email with another greeting, like thank you, or hope to see you soon. And then you always want to make sure that your name is at the bottom of your email. I have mine set up that mine just is always there, but yours will not be. So if you send me an email and it doesn't have your name, then all I see is your ID number. I don't have everyone's ID number memorized. So if I only see your ID number, I'm not going to know who the email is from. So always, always, always make sure that you include your first and your last name at the bottom of your email. And make sure your name is capitalized. Now I'm going to show you how to insert a picture in your email. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to open up a new tab and go to Google. So what's a picture that would have to do with my email? Well, we're taking the Metro train. So maybe I'll put a picture of a train. And I go to images. Ooh, I like this one. No, I like this one. Okay. Remember, I do a 2-finger tap, copy image. Then I'm going to go back to my email. And I'm going to Control V, paste, remember? Whoa, that's really big. I don't want it that big. If you click on the picture, scroll down. Oh, it won't let me resize it. Oh no. Oh, if you right click and you see size, small. There we go. Now it's smaller. So now I have a picture on there too. Now what if I need to send an attachment? An attachment is like if I want to include a Google Doc or a picture of some sort, and I want to, maybe you're sending your teacher an email and you have to include your homework that you missed, and you want to send your homework in a Google Doc. All you have to do is go up to where it says attach from your computer. Mine will look a little different than yours. You should see your Google Drive pop up. So you find what you want to send. I'm going to send her the community trip. What do I want to send her? I'm going to send her the train trip permission slip. And then open. And for some reason it hasn't been letting me, but it should let you. You open it, attach it. It should pop up down here. Let me try one more thing, see if it works. Come on. Yay! It attaches. So you should see your attachment up here. And then I'm going to reread it because sometimes I don't always spell words correctly, or sometimes I read it again and I say, that didn't make sense. So I like to reread my emails out loud to myself. Hello, Mrs. Davidson. I'm emailing you to let you know that our first community trip will be this September 13th. We'll be taking the Metro train to Downers Grove. I wanted to give you a heads up. Thanks, Sarah Weiss. Okay, I think that sounds good. If you ever want to change the font or change the color, that would be down here. Okay, then all I have to do is hit send. Down here at the bottom, this blue one, and it will go to her. If you ever want to see the emails that you have sent, over here on the left-hand side, if you go to sent emails, these will be all the emails that you have sent. If your inbox are all the emails that you have received. It's a good idea to check your emails at least once a week. See what you have. Okay, I hope this helped. Now let's see how you do. Send me an email or one of your teachers. Good luck.